Moving down to the features, so auto property alerts. This is like, some people flip out on this one because the system default is basically just going to start sending stuff out every single time a brand new one, a brand new lead, I'm sorry, a brand new property comes on the market that matches the lead. So I like them to just go out daily in the mornings, just once a day. So that way there's not like 15 emails in a day. Like, people are going to get pissed on that. So what you can do in here is you can come in, you can exclude pipelines for property alerts. Like if people are in, if they're already in the pre-approved stage or whatever, maybe they're already in the closed stage and they don't need to be receiving properties. Just make sure whatever pipeline part you want to exclude, you do that. I would probably just exclude if they're under contract or they're already sold. If they're just pre-approved, obviously they're ready to go, I would make sure property alerts are still going out to them. Property status, active is always a good one. Active under contract, maybe, but back on market, not too bad. Coming soon, that's always a good one, just for the fact of it's going to be coming soon. So you want to get them, pique their interest really quick. Days listed, any, you could say less than 3, 14, 60. This is basically like, if you only have less than 3, you're probably going to lose out on some properties that are just sitting on the market. And quite honestly, those are the best ones to be able to go after, because if they're sitting on the market, the sellers are going to be able to take a little bit less. Maybe they're going to be able to give your buyers a little bit more. Location criteria, you can use a different zip code if you want. You can use the city if you want. Open houses only, no. You can say yes if you want, but I always say no, because not everybody does open houses. Schedule, you can pick the dates. You can say every other day they get properties. I like every day in the morning, because that's just a bigger open rate. We've tried every which way, and more people open stuff in the morning when they see it every day. It's just kind of like they're checking it off their list. They're checking for properties, because if they're not getting an email from you, they're getting an email from 10 other realtors, plus Zillow, plus Realtor, plus Trulia, all those freaking places. And that's just how it goes, So you want to make sure that this is set up and that they're going to be able to get the property alerts, but just don't overwhelm them. So I just recommend once a day.